Alright, this is the midnight snack. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh, wow. I'm going to turn that down. I had it on high for a little bit. I'll turn it on warm. It's a little after 11 o'clock tonight, and I started this at about 5:30, I think. And at about 7 o'clock or so, I put these mushrooms in. They're 3 big mushrooms. These are the small criminies, but I think those are kind of like the portobellos, but they're little. I don't know, I gotta research that. And I put these onions in at the same time. But what we have in here is this. I want to see this. Oh, it's done. Look at that. Oh my god. That is done. It's just falling apart right now. Gotta be careful. Oh man, there's part of it. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It just falls apart. Nice. So this is a beef shoulder roast or something. I bought it today for about $8. And cooking it up. It's ready. And we'll have a good beef stock in here for like an onion soup for later. And turn it down now. This is done for sure. Oh my god, that's awesome. Plate this one up. What it's going to be is we'll take some of this roast right here, some of this part. Let's put this in the side over here, just like that. That's enough. We'll cover it up again. I'm going to keep it warm. And then on top of that, I'm going to use some of this classic stir-fry sauce. It's a little bit potent, so just put like a little drop on it like that. So in here, I want to get it like one mushroom. Just one, like right here. I'm keeping the onions in here because I want to do sort of like a French onion soup. You put one of the mushrooms right there, and maybe a little onion, and then do the salad. Put a little salad on this side, and that's it. I mean, you put your favorite salad dressing on. You can put like pepper and bacon bits and all that kind of stuff, and there's a little meal right there.